Welcome to the project demonstration of non-invasive glucometer with Bluetooth monitoring. In this project we are using track PCB, buzzer and LCD display, glucose sensor and Bluetooth module and Arduino Uno. So first of all we need to install Bluetooth module. So here we can see serial Bluetooth monitor, which is also available in Play Store. So we need to on the power supply through this adapter. It takes 230 volts of power supply, then it will give 5 volts of DC. That 5 volts of DC will be given to this track PCB. Through track PCB we will equally divide the power to the all components like buzzer, Bluetooth module, glucose sensor and LCD display, and also we will give power supply to this Arduino Uno. Now I am giving the power supply. After the power supply we need to open the Bluetooth terminal, Bluetooth on. So here we can see so it will show the AC05 module, Bluetooth module name. We need to pair that one. So here we can see HC05. We need to pair this one. To ask password, password should be 1234. Then after that we need to go for the serial Bluetooth terminal, and here we can see 3 lines. We need to go for that one. Have to choose devices. After that here we can see HC05. We need to connect that one. Now it is connected. So it is showing that no finger. In this glucose sensor we have a total 2 sensors. One is a IR sensor which detect the finger, and another is a glucose sensor. So glucose sensor will detect the glucose levels of our blood. So here we can see red light is present in the glucose meter. So red light will emit our blood density. So if our blood density is more, then it will give a glucose levels is more. Then if the blood density is less, so glucose level will be less. So when we give the finger to our sensor, then IS sensor will detect the finger. After that only glucose sensor will be calculate our blood density. So it will take 4 to 5 samples of our blood through emitted red light. Now I am placing my finger. So sometimes it will be glitch, so we need to reset this one. So now I am placing my finger here. So it is showing there is no finger anything. So here we can see glucose level in phone and also glucose level in the display. Normal glucose is calculated here. So this sensor is connected. So this sensor is connected to the A0, A5 pins, and the LCD is interfaced with the 0 to 7, and the Bluetooth module is connected in a UART communication. UART is means universal asynchronous transmitter and receiver, which is connected in a serial communication. Based on the serial communication, it will based on the serial communication, it will send a values to this module. So the main aim of this Bluetooth module is to receive the main aim of this Bluetooth module is to send the data wirelessly. So the wireless data will be taken by this Bluetooth module. Through our Bluetooth, here we can see serial Bluetooth will be taken. So here we can see the data. So the data will be received by this phone in this app. In this way this product will be works. Thanks for the watching.